Hello students, I hope you all are fine. We are starting question number 5 of exercise 10H. Okay, and you can see in the diagram that we have a circle and there are two tangent lines which are touching this circle, and it is given in the question that TB is equals to TA. Okay, these lengths are equal, right? And the next thing is that you're given this angle BAT, which is 62 degree, and they have asked you to find these three angles ATB, BCA and BAC. So let's start with the first angle, that is the angle ATB. ATB, the angle formed between these two tangent lines at point T. So as you can see clearly, as TB and TA are equal, so this triangle formed here is an isosceles triangle, the triangle ATB, right? It's an isosceles triangle. If this angle is 62 degree, then we know that this angle is also 62 degree, and we can find the third angle by subtracting these two angles from 180. So ATB will be equals to 180 degree minus 62 minus 62, which comes out to be 56. So we got the value of this angle at point T equals to 56 degree. The next one is to find the angle BCA. BCA, the angle at point C. Okay, here we are going to use the property of circle, one of the property of circle, which states that, let's look at this diagram here, at this circle here, right? Here if the angle formed at A is x, okay, then the angle that is formed by the opposite side with the tangent line will also be x. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again so that you can understand it better. Look, if this angle x, angle at A is x, and we know that the side opposite to this angle is the side BC. The side BC will also make the same angle with the tangent line. Okay, so if you look at this circle again, if this angle is 62 degree, then this is the side, and the side opposite angle of this side is this one, that is at point C. This angle will also be equals to 62 degree. So using this property I can write that the angle ACB is equals to 62 degree, right? Because the angles in alternate segments are equal. And I'm going to write this reason here, angles in alternate segment are equal. Now moving to the part 3 of this question, in which they have asked you to find the angle BAC, the major angle BAC, this angle, right? Now as we know that BAC is an isosceles triangle, right, and in which BA is equals to CA. So if this angle is 62 degree, then this one is also equals to 62 degree. So we can find this third angle by subtracting these two angles from 180, right? We just found that the ACB was 62 degree, right? And in isosceles triangle, two angles are 62 degree, right? So we can find the third angle very easily by subtracting these two from 180. So we are gonna find BAC, right? For which what we're gonna do is we're gonna subtract the other two angles from 180, and it's gonna be 56 degree. So that's the answer. We have found all three angles, and that's all.